In today's video, I'm going to show you how to quickly create a bundle product in WooCommerce. Bundles are a great way to boost sales by packaging related items together, giving customers more value while increasing your average order size. So let's jump right in. First, log into your WooCommerce dashboard and head to the products section in the left-hand menu. Click Add New to create your bundle product. Once you're on the product page, scroll down to the product data box. By default, it's set to simple product, so change it to grouped product. This option allows you to combine multiple simple products into one bundle. Next, click the Link Products tab inside the product data box. Here, search for and add the simple products you want to include in your bundle. Make sure those items already exist in your store. If not, create them first. Choose products that complement each other or are often bought together to make the bundle more appealing. Once your items are linked, review everything carefully. Add a clear, attractive product description explaining why this bundle is a great deal and how it benefits the customer. Strong wording helps increase conversions. When you're satisfied, hit publish on the right side of the page, and that's it. Your WooCommerce bundle product is now live and ready for customers to purchase. Thanks for watching and happy selling.